Good morning, or whatever time you're watching this. I just got ready. I did some light makeup today because it is Friday and it is rainy outside. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's a rainy day. My coffee pot is dirty from yesterday, so I am going to clean up a little bit. And in this video, I'm also going to be showing you what I'm eating for breakfast, what I'm eating for lunch, what we're going to have for dinner, and it's a crock pot meal, so I'll go ahead and get that started around 10 or 11. And also I have some cleaning up to do. I hope y'all enjoy this video. It's going to be a bunch of little things throughout the day, kind of like what I do during the day, like a day in the life. So yeah, first off, we're going to start a load of laundry because that's one of the first things I do after I make my bed. And I'm going to clean out this coffee pot, make some coffee, do the dishes while my coffee is brewing. Also, if you're curious, normally first thing in the morning I like to listen to something positive. So I have been listening to Proctor Gallagher Institute. It's Bob Proctor. If you look him up on YouTube, you'll find his channel. But he does a lot of like 24-hour live streams, and what they are is just his speeches that he goes to during conferences. So it's a lot of repetitive stuff, but I enjoy hearing the positive, uplifting messages early in the morning. I think it's very important as soon as you wake up to listen to something positive, and then right before you go to bed to read or listen to something positive.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, love
got my cup of coffee right here. This thing is huge. I guess I have to move y'all back far enough so you can see this. Okay, I'm here. So what I'm gonna do first is put this stuff in here. I wish I had, oh my gosh. Oh, yay, I opened it. I wish I had the thing to get it out. Like a squirty kind, instead of this kind that's in a jar. Okay. That is a lot. But I'm gonna stick this. Y'all see how much I grabbed? I'm gonna stick this in my cup. Hopefully it will fall off because of how hot this is. Alright, so I probably put 2 tablespoons of caramel in there, but it's all good, right? Okay. So that's in there. Now I'm gonna add my creamer. Somebody asked me if this actually does taste like caramel, and I think so. I think that's why it says caramel macchiato, but I think so. So I'm gonna put some of that in there, and then the fun part. Let me put some more. I love a little coffee with my creamer. Alright, that probably annoyed a lot of people. And then the other half of you are like, oh, I love ASMR. Okay, Ready Whip. Somebody also asked me, what is the ASMR? It is, just noises like that, like natural noises. Or like people whispering, eating, chewing. I do not like the whispering or the eating. I think it's gross. But I do like hearing that. That's nice. Or hearing this. That's really nice. I like that. So, we got our whipped cream. And then we are going to put our cinnamon on top. And that, my friends, is a delicious latte, cappuccino, whatever you want to call it, macchiato. I know it's called a macchiato. I just like messing with y'all. So good. And if you were to go to Starbucks and buy this, it would probably be $5 or $6. And instead, this was $3. This was also about $3. This was about $4. And I mean, this is like probably under $2. So we'll say that all these ingredients is about $10 plus your little coffee. So this probably cost me $1 to make, because this is still pretty much full. This is still pretty full. This is still really full. So yeah, much more budget friendly. I'm gonna take a picture of this for a thumbnail before all my whipped cream melts. Alright, it is so good though. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I did not add cream this the other day to it, so this is so good. But they do have this in the like candy section, I guess, the Ghirardelli, where it comes out in a squeezy tube. That would probably be much easier than getting the jar, but we just had the jar. So alright, next time I see y'all, I will have a crock pot over here, and we will be making our dinner. because for dinner I'm cooking these Boston butt steaks in the crock pot with barbecue sauce on them and some brown sugar and maybe some jelly. I'm trying to think. Yeah, this is definitely a vlog. This stuff was so good, by the way. I remember showing y'all this in a grocery haul a while back. So good. If you're not an avocado fan, try it anyways, because it is very much cilantro and kind of spicy. I love it. But I have some, I thought I had some jelly. All I have is those preserves back there. Aaron does not like jelly. We have strawberry. Oh, okay. Yeah, I won't be using that then. We'll just use some brown sugar and some barbecue sauce. So, we gotta clean this fridge eventually. I'll show y'all what I'm eating for lunch. And when we cook in a minute. Brown sugar, if we can get it out of there. Oh, it may not be the best, but that's what we're doing. Okay, so all that is are the Boston butt steaks. That's what they're called, steaks. And I got this thing right here. Alright, laundry's done. So now I just gotta throw it in here. Oh my goodness me. Oh my. Hot mess. One of my friends has already taken over that name, so I won't use that. Anyways, okay. Oh, I don't know why, I just feel like hanging out with y'all today instead of, you know, it's just more relaxing, I guess. More chill, more real life. Let me know if y'all like these. Hopefully you didn't just see underwear. Anyways, every now and then you just have to have a realistic look at a day in the life. Okay, and I need to wash this. I keep telling y'all that I'm gonna wash my washing machine, and y'all know that I get stuff like this that needs to be washed, and I'm like, oh, I'll put it off. I'll do it next time. I'll do it next time. And then you know what happens? There is absolutely never a next time. And there's never a next time. What is this? There it is. I see it. I see it down here. So here's what I'm using. It is a Tide washing machine cleaner. Single use. I had bought the whole, like a box of 4 of these. So, let's see. It's HE safe, which I feel like just about all of us have an HE machine now. It says, I'm trying to find the directions. For any washing machine, pour 1 pouch of Tide washing machine cleaner directly into your washer tub. Okay. And I think it just says when odors occur, but I want to do this once a month, but I always forget. Okay, for best results, run washer on normal cycle, select the hot water setting. Okay, we'll do that because I never do hot water. Y'all know what's funny? I am I'm filming this on, what is today? Today is Friday the 17th of September, and y'all are seeing this on, I think, September 29th. How funny is that? But I'm trying to film ahead of schedule. Okay, so 1 rinse, hot water, normal. I wonder, well, there's no soil. I guess I'll just put light, because there's nothing in there to aside from water. Hopefully we did that correctly. We'll find out.
free.